we will now look into the fundamental laws of algebraic operations, no, or what we call the properties of real numbers. So kuan na siya, no, very kuan sa ni siya kanang neglected nga part, no, sa algebra, kay although basic kay siya, no, sometimes makalimot to, but if you're well versed in this, bisag bali-balihon pa nimo equations, digi ka malipat, no. Okay, so ang kuha na yan, the first one is what we call the commutative law of multiplication. So the product of real numbers is not affected by the order of the numbers. Okay, so not affected by the orders. That means ABC equals to BCA or CBA, no? So, pwede ra, no? In any order siya, no? Pwede mag-una ang A, C, D, ano, no? CB. So dili siya mo matter on which order it will appear, no? So for example, x over y, it could be x times 1 over y, or it could be equal to 1 over y times x, no? So dili siya matter ang order. The second one is the commutative law of addition. So the sum of the real numbers is not affected by the order of the numbers. That means pareha ra gyapon siya, no? Commutative siya, no? Sa mingon gid commute, meaning na nagbalhin-balhin siya, no? So mo na nga mo commute ta, no? Meaning na mo travel, no? So A plus B plus C is equal to B plus C plus A, no? So it could be nga example, no, x minus y. So pwede x plus negative y, pwede siya negative y plus x, no? So inguna na, pwede ra siya inguna na. Okay? So the third one is the associative law of multiplication. So the product of real numbers is not affected by how the numbers are grouped. So mingon ta nga A times quantity B times C, it could be equal to AB times quantity C, no? So pwede ra siya usab-usab ang yang kuha, no, association, no? So kani siya kintahay na nausab na ang yang association. So kani associated siya sa B and C, karon balin na pod, oh, balimbing, no, murag politiko ba, no? So kuha guys siya. So number 4, so associative law of addition. The sum of the real numbers is not affected by how the numbers are grouped. Same ra gyapon, no, sa multiplication. So A plus quantity B plus C is equal to A plus B times quantity A plus B plus C, no? So, pwede ra siya ingon sad. Okay? So the fifth one is the distributive law of multiplication and addition. So gi-combine na siya, no? I-distribute siya, no? So for example, A times quantity x plus y, i-distribute siya kani A times x plus A times y. So muna A times x A times x mo na ni, then A times y kani, no? Okay? So number 6, what we call the symmetry law. So if A is equal to B, then B is equal to A. So the number is equal to itself, no? So if pwede siya bali-baliho, no? If A is equal to B, then B is equal to A, no? Okay? Okay, so complex numbers, no? So, okay, so complex numbers mo ni standard form niya is A plus B times I, no? So kaning A is the real component, no? Una real component niya. Ang B is the imaginary nga component. Okay? So I is equal to the square root of negative 1, no? Ato ning gi-equate ani niya. Kalisod sa kay B times square root of negative 1, no? So gi-represent nanan siya to I, okay? Operations with complex numbers. So we can do the following, no, for complex numbers. So we can add or subtract, and then we can multiply, and we can also divide, no? So we can add kanisiya, we can also divide. Okay, so sa example, so let's have an example, imaginary ni siya, no? So 10 square root of 10 times square root of negative 7. So ato ni siyang kunon nga square root of 10 times negative 1 times square root of 7 times negative 1, no? So, square root of 10 times square root of 7, so pwede na to i-multiply ni siya, no? So, square root of 70. So, kaning square root of negative 1 times square root of negative 1, so square root times square root, mo whole number na siya, no? So, equal siya sa sud. So, negative 1. So, ang answer is negative square root of 70. Okay? So, mo na atong mga operations nga pwede buhaton sa complex numbers. Okay? Sige. So, exponents and radicals, no? Or in what we call the index laws. So, a to the power of 0 is equal to 1, no? So, any number raised to the power of 0, it is always equal to 1. Okay? So, the next one is a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n. So, ang power nila ay minus lang, no? So, same naman sila og number, no? Nga root, no? So, ang iyang exponent basta division pwede ra i-minus, no? So m minus n, no? Okay? So 1 over a to the power of m, no? So we can equate that to a. So ang a is square to the power of negative m, no? So ma-negative na siya kung na siya sa taas. Actually, it's just an extension of this, no? Same ra na siya, no? Kay nahimo lang ni siya nga 1, no? So kung 1 na siya, so kani mawa ni siya, no? Negative n na lang nahabilin, no? So it's still the same as the one above it, no? So quantity AB to the power of m. So i-distribute ra siya, no? Ang iyang power. So A to the m, then B to the m, no? If kwanza, no, if the same ra ang root niya, no, kaning A, no, same ra gani, we can add, no, we can add the exponents, no? It's actually the same as this, no? Kanilang gi-divide lang, no, ang operation. So kung gi-divide ang operation, negative siya, no? Kung positive ang operation, gi-multiply siya, no? Okay, so a to the m times quantity n, no? So a to the m na siya power nga m, and then i-raise pa siya to another power nga n. So in this case, i-multiply siya ang exponent, no? So a to the power of mn. Okay, so a to the power of n, m over n. So kung ato ning i-rewrite, so square root or nth root of a to the power of m. So that means ang nth nth no, nth root of a to the power of m. Okay? So if we have a fraction, no, a over b quantity to the power of m, so pwede na to i-distribute sa ang iyang power, no? So a to the power of m over b to the power of m. So it's actually the same as this. Distribute, kuha lang siya, kani multiplication, kani division lang, but it's still the same, no? Okay? Kira, no? Let's just move on to the example, no? So solve for the value of 4 to the power of 3.2 to the power of 3, no? Mo ni atong gibuhat, no, ganina i-multiply lang ang exponent, no? Mo na siya ang makuha na nato ang number niya, no? So this would have been very convenient, no? When before the advent of calculators, no? Pero karon calculator enter na diha, no? Tapulan na kayo, no? Sayon kay nga multiplication, mga single digit numbers i-multiply, no? Mangita ta calculator, no? Tapulan na kayo. Pero anyway, so solve for a kani. So a to the power of negative 6 over 8, no? So 0.001. Kuha ni siya, no? Pwede imong kuha ni siya, no? Ang atong process na is kuan i-multiply na to siya, no, of something of opposite, kuan niya, no, reciprocal, no, kay ingon man tang we said here nga sa to nga kuan, anyway sige lang nawa ako, a to the power 4, i-multiply rin, no, i-multiply, no, so i-multiply kani, no, kani nga property niya. Okay, so if we multiply, no, 3/4 by 4/3, mahimo ni siyang 1, no? So kung i-raise ni nato to the power of -4/3, mahimo ra siyang ma-retain natong a, no? But at the same time, atong buhaton ni sa other side pod, no? So a to the power of kaning number i-raise pod nato sa power of -4/3, no? So mo na nga mahimo siyang kung ano, makuha na to ang pilang value ning a. So with that, using our calculator, makakuha na to nga a is equal to 10,000.